This is Carrie, and we're here at the Des Moines Brass Armadillo reviewing some of the items that you'll find on iantique.com listed in the classifieds. This is listing number 2575, which the vendor has listed as a piece of Roseville in the Rose Craft pumpkin patch pattern. They also have it listed as a signed RV, which you'll find the mark here on the bottom. This is a lovely piece in a green with not a high gloss glaze, but a nice glaze. You can see the pumpkins and the leaves of the vines of the pumpkins in the design. It's on both sides. It's in really nice shape. I see no damages to the piece whatsoever. The vendor is asking $524.95. Again, that's listing number 2575 at iantique.com.